Welcome back to Primetime News, live from the Greenwich Town Fishing Village in Kingston.
And a special welcome to our viewers on onespotmedia.com.
Up first this evening, another state of emergency is on the horizon, but this time it's not in relation to crime.
As TVJ's Kirk Wright reports, the environment is the focus.
Greetings from ESSA Technology.
The existing report reflects the state of the environment from 2010 to 2013. In the report, air quality, the state of coral reefs, and the state of our water supply, both marine and rivers, were some of the highlights.
It's clear that there are some important trends. So if we look at coral reef health, for example, in both instances, 2010 and 2013, the health of the coral reef is described as being poor. We expect, however, that for the 2017 report we should see some marginal improvement. If we look at water quality, the marine and coastal water quality and the riverine water quality, those are described as constant. Air quality, however, the particulate matter in 2013 had increased over 2010.
Executive Director of the National Environment and Planning Agency, NEPA, Peter Knight, says financial constraints have delayed the 2016 report, but he says the report is important to effect policy changes for the environment.
If you look back in the State of Environment report 10 and 13, you will see that issues have been raised about waste management and solid waste and plastics and all of these things. And it was not until last month that we reached a point where the government took a policy decision to ban single-use plastic bags, plastic straws, and styrofoam, as well as the another announcement, which is not a ban, but it is the deposit refund scheme for PET bottles.
Mr. Knight says he hopes the report will generate some interest in the media.
We hope that the State of the Environment report will generate wider media interest, and media practitioners will begin to explore and interrogate a number of issues mentioned in the report.
Kirk Wright, TVJ.